Hi there, students. Have you ever wondered what the difference between sunset, dusk and twilight is? Well, at the moment we're waiting for sunset. Sunset is when the sun goes below the horizon. And then after the sun has gone below the horizon, it's not dark, it's not night. There is still light because the sun is shining air into the sky. And the period between then and when it gets dark, that is dusk. Dusk is when it gets completely dark. So twilight is the period of time between the sun going down and it getting dark. And that is the difference between the two. However, mostly when we speak, we use these phrases interchangeably. So you could say, for example, he's in the twilight of his years. Yeah, he's getting old, he's in the last bit. The sunset on the empire, the sunset of the empire. The empire was in its twilight, it was falling apart. Yeah, dusk. We use dusky, for example, as an adjective, saying dark skin, a beautiful dusky maiden. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Dusk, twilight, sunset.